Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
The Fox Who Shared His Dinner. Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, there lived a clever little fox named Rico. He loved to explore the woods, chase butterflies, and rest under the big oak tree. One sunny afternoon, Rico found a basket full of juicy grapes and shiny red apples near the river. He wagged his tail and said, "Wow! So much food! I'll eat it all myself." Just then, a small white rabbit hopped by. The rabbit said softly, "Hello, Fox. I haven't eaten all day. Could you please share a little with me?" At first, Rico said no. He didn't want to share. But then he thought, if I share, maybe I'll feel even happier. So, he gave the rabbit some grapes. The rabbit smiled and said, "Thank you, Rico. You're a true friend." Later that evening, when Rico went to drink water from the river, he slipped on a rock, splash. He almost fell in, but the rabbit quickly grabbed his tail and pulled him to safety. Rico smiled and said, "Thank you, my friend. I'm so glad I shared with you." From that day on, Rico always shared his food and played happily with all his forest friends. And so, children, remember, sharing makes you richer in friendship and happiness.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.